Hi everyone, have you ever seen such an excited dog? But we sure are, because we have a brand new shipment of Aboriginal designs that we've been waiting for a long time. I believe there's just about 50 bolts in all that just arrived. They are already on our website, but I wanted to give you a hands-on look at some of these fantastic designs. Check that out. Isn't that gorgeous? The neat thing about the Aboriginal fabrics is they work well with everything from batiks to retro to modern and everything in between. Ladyfingers is known for combining different styles in our projects and helping people do the same. The cool thing about the Aboriginal fabrics is every design is a story, and the stories are included with the bolts, and we'll be happy to share the information with you when you come in to shop or when you shop online. So let's get some of these puppies out of here. They really are amazing. This one is called Bush Dreaming of Utopia, and it's designed by Tanya Price. Isn't that fantastic? This comes in a couple of colorways. Another fantastic one here is called Bush Seeds Black, and this one is by Cindy Wallace. Love this. This would be really fun to fussy cut. This one's called Bushberry Red, designed by Marlene Doolin. And another great diagonal print, Bush Camp Red. And oh boy, I think Bill has his eye on this one, so if you want it, you better grab it. This one's so cool with the purple and the gold with the white spirals. Called Bush Camp Purple by Audrey Martin. I think a bunch of you already have your eye on this guy, so if you want it, you better come get it. It's called Bambilla? I'm reading them upside down, so you have to bear with me there. But you can see there's all kinds of animals and flowers and water, and I'm eager to read the story about this one. This guy is just great fun. I could see making applique animals out of it. I could see piecing it with other ginger colors in black. And it is called Body Painting in Brown. Can't go wrong with bush banana, right? Absolutely fabulous. This is a classic Aboriginal print. And a newer one here called Around the Water Hole in Ecru. Another newer one in great shades of purple and orange and teal. This one's Around the Water Hole in purple. And the last in box number one, oh boy, this is so hip. This one's Around the Water Hole, and the colorway is red. Okay. So box number two, actually this is one of two large shipments of Aboriginal fabrics that we're going to receive here at Ladyfingers. So the other shipment will be here in about a month. So I just want to warn you that you need to make room in your sewing room for these. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's called Flowers in the Desert, and it's by Lauren Doolin. You can see that the Aboriginal artists use the ends of sticks and create dots for their designs. Everything is dotted, and that's part of their technique. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Same print, different colorway. Isn't it amazing how by switching up the dye stuffs you get a completely different look to a fabric print. This is another texture that we brought back, and it is called Fallen Seeds in black. So be sure to check our website and order these online or come on into the store. You can shop by appointment by just giving us a call. I believe Bill posted this guy on the web, on the email blast. So we have a lot of people who have dibbies on this. It's called Kingfisher Camp. Absolutely beautiful. Flowers in the Desert again in another colorway. This is Man Iguana. I'm sure there's a great story behind that one. Man Iguana in purple. And I believe this is by Gary Reed. And another piece of Land of Utopia in black. This is a great fabric to use. I can see Sarah Bond all over all of these, big time. Winter Spirits. This is a really great one too. A lot of movement, a lot of great color. And Winter Spirits this is going to be a favorite too, in brown. That's considered brown. And one more. Women's Business. Now that's the name for a fabric collection, right? Pretty cool. All right, that's box number 2. Okay, this is the third of 4 boxes today, and like I said, there's more coming in a few weeks. Oh boy, you're gonna love this. River Dreaming by Barbara Egan. All you black and white enthusiasts, here we go. I ordered a bunch of these because they're just so great. Check this out. What a fabulous background fabric. And back to color. This is Plum and Bush Banana. We have, Wildflowers Dreaming. Isn't that interesting? How pretty is that? Not your ordinary stripe, is it? And another gorgeous golden print. This one's called Summertime. Summertime Rainforest. Oh no, that's calling for a dress to me. And Wild Coconut. Okay. And another really cool one, Women Collecting Bush Food. This one's by Christine Doolin. And this one is Dreamtime Behind the oh no, that's not what it's called. That's the label on the thingy. This one's Women's Sea Bush Food Brown by Christine Doolin as well. And Christine's very busy. And this one's Dropping Seeds by Roseanne Morton. I love this one. Okay, and we have Dancing Spirits by Colleen Wallace. And Dancing Flowers by June Smith. How pretty is that? Is that all 4? Do we have one more? We have one more? Okay. So I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the designs. We have more to open up, and like I said, we have more coming in a few weeks, so come and get them while you can. Thank you for listening. This is Ladyfinger Sewing Center, 6375 Ole Turnpike Road, Ole, Pennsylvania, 19547. Ladyfingersewing.com is our website, and our phone number is 610-689-0068. Thanks for watching.